Have you ever felt like your potential was just out of reach? Like you could see a version of yourself that could do all these amazing things, but no matter how hard you tried, you just couldn't access or embody or be this amazing version of yourself? For years, I felt this way, stuck and distant from my potential. No matter how hard I tried, I could not access it. In this video, I'll show you how to bridge the gap from where you are now to becoming who you want to become, to accessing your true potential. Most people just give up on their dreams entirely because they feel impossible. Their dreams start to get really heavy and weigh them down. It's like they'll never actually be able to access these dreams, so why carry them around? They just settle for less. They feel like they have to reach their potential to access their dreams, but they haven't learned how to actually reach their potential, so they never get to access their dreams. Up until a couple of years ago, I felt so weighed down by my dreams, I let them crush me. I felt like I had to willpower my way through life. So once I inevitably ran out of willpower, I felt like I'd never actually reach my potential. I felt like I must be missing something, like something had to be incomplete with who I was. But everything changed when I realized this one thing. Your dreams and desires are not random. They're a reflection of your true potential. Your potential is not the key to your dreams. Your dreams are the key to your potential. I started to follow my dreams, and my dreams started to guide me. We have all of it backwards. We think we need to willpower our way through life. We need to try super hard. And when you can't try hard enough, you're not good enough. When you don't have the work ethic, you're not good enough. I said in my last video that we don't just have our dreams to carry around and, hey, look at this little guy I've been carrying around since I was fucking 5. Put him back in my pocket. Never get to access that. But what about when your dream becomes a monster and you know the direction you've gone in life sucks and you hate it, but you've settled because you had it all backwards, and it's not your fault. It's not your fault. We've been programmed to believe that going after our dreams is scary. Your dreams are a divine gift. They reflect your potential. They're not meant to weigh you down. They're meant to lift you up. Your potential isn't something that's out there. It's something you can tap into right now by looking at your dreams. But most of us don't know how to do that. I didn't. I had no idea how to do that. Most people don't know how to do that because you have to imagine your dreams. You have to actually look at them. See, we've been programmed to use our imagination unintentionally. We use our imagination for worst case scenarios and what could go wrong. We let our imagination give us reasons to fear and see all the areas where we lack. But what if we flip that on its head? What if we used our imagination to look at our dreams dead in the face, as if they were happening? You see, using your imagination is the first step. Understanding that your imagination was given to you for a reason. It was the key, it was the bridge between you and your dreams. And your dreams are the bridge between you and your potential. When I started this, it was extremely hard for me to use my imagination at all, unless it was on autopilot. My imagination only worked on autopilot. I couldn't imagine things on purpose. It didn't matter if they were good or bad. So I had to sit down and write. And I wrote, what did my dream life look like? How did it feel? Who was I with? We're going to really sink into our dream and figure out, how does it feel? Once you do this, you start to embody this person. We're going to use this North Star version of ourselves, our dream version of ourselves, to make decisions, to plan our days, our routines, and we're going to give ourselves the grace to get there. We're not just going to shift like this. We're not just going to be able to jump into completely being able to access our full potential immediately. We're not. We're going to use this dream version of ourselves, our North Star version of ourselves, to look at all the areas of our life as they come up, as circumstances and situations come up, to see where we are out of alignment with this version of ourselves, where we are out of alignment with our potential. So when a situation comes up that makes you feel fear or doubt or lack, we're going to lean into those things. We're going to ask ourselves, first off, why do I feel these things? Would the version of me that lives my dream feel this way? Maybe it's not about what you're doing, but how you're doing it. Maybe it's not about what you're looking at, but the glasses you're looking at them through. If you can sit down and look at your dreams, they will give you insights into your potential. We have it so backwards. We have it so backwards. We think potential equals dreams, when it's actually dreams equal potential. through building Dream on Purpose, through following my dream, I've become so much more of who I've always wanted to be. When I started Dream on Purpose, it just sounded cool. It sounded nice. I had just gone through a beautiful transformation, but I didn't entirely understand what was going on. I just decided I was going to follow my excitement. And it gave me this beautiful name for this company, Dream on Purpose. Your dreams are a gift. They guide you to who you're meant to be. When you look at them like this, you can let go of all the stigma around chasing your dreams, all the fear of doubt around chasing your dreams. And you can start to play around with it. Sit down, write it out. Can't hurt. It really can't hurt. My whole philosophy on life is just being able to enjoy my life regardless of circumstance or situation, without needing a substance, without needing another person or anything like that. Just being able to enjoy myself. And I've been able to do that through following my dreams, through feeling like I'm living my life on purpose and not just on default. If this video resonated with you at all, take one step today. You can look in the description, free North Star guide that helps you create this North Star version of yourself. Your dream life is a lot closer than you think. So much closer than you think. Life happens through you, not to you. Dream on purpose.